Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Lenovo's new IdeaPad Chromebook Plus laptops. So friend, it bringing together elevated hardware components with AI-powered tools for more productivity, creativity and ease of use. And friend, it is now equipped with more exclusive tool and premium services. The new selection of laptops come with file sync to access Google Drive files offline, 1080p webcam with AI-powered video calling tools for crystal clear video conferencing, and other advanced features including the AI-powered Google Photos Magic Eraser that easily removes unwanted distraction from photos. And friend, it will be now comes with built-in AI-powered video call tools to enhance the webcam and sound quality during group session while still offering a 120Hz refresh rate and RGB backlighting. As its processor with the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming Chromebook Plus, gamers can access graphically demanding games online or even immerse themselves in mixed reality missions without sacrificing experience and quality. And friend, the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5i Chromebook Plus blends the capability of larger size laptops and the flexibility of a 2-in-1 convertible set in a table to compose the masterpiece, flip it around to sketch the next winning design, or take your creations to next level with Adobe Photoshop with integrated Adobe Firefly generative AI to get content using simple text prompts. The Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5i Chromebook Plus is productivity companion on the go. And then if I talk about the pricing, the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3i Chromebook Plus is priced at 549.99 USD dollar, and IdeaPad Flex 5i Chromebook Plus is priced at 499 USD dollar. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.